Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gurukul, India. Today we are going to discuss about more questions and answers related to our country India. These questions are at most important for competitive examination point of view. So plug in your earphone and start learning by listening. Please like and subscribe. Your support is the only fuel which keep us motivated. India Republic of India is located in South Asia. It is the seventh largest country by area. It is also the second most populous country in the world with more than 133 crores of population. It is located in South Asia and was officially declared the Republic of India after its independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. It is surrounded by oceans from three sides such as the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. People of many religions, castes, cultures, and traditions live together with unity. Capital New Delhi. Area 3.3 million sq km. Latitude 6 degrees 44 and 35 degrees 30 north latitude. Longitude 68 degrees 7 and 97 degrees 25 east longitude. Official language Hindi. Total recognized languages 22. Total coastline 7,516.6 kilometers. Area covered by forest 68 million hectares. Population 1,210,193,422. Male 623.7 million. Female 586.4 million. Population growth rate 1.64% during 2001 to 2011. Density of population 370.8 km 2. Literacy rate 74.04%. Male literacy rate 82.14%. Female literacy rate 65.46%. State 28. Union territories 9. Largest state Rajasthan. Smallest state Goa. National Park 103. Wildlife sanctuaries 441. Largest city Mumbai. Calling code +91. National motto Satyamev Jayate. National song Vande Mataram. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. Highest point Mount Godwin, Austin peak of Mount K to 28,251 feet. Currency Indian Rupee. Time zone GMT +5:30. Life expectancy rate male 65.8 years, female 68.1 year. Ethnic groups Australoid, Mongoloid, Europoid, Caucasian, and Negroid. National days 26th January, Republic Day, 15th August, Independence Day, 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. National bird Indian peacock. National flower lotus. National tree banyan tree. National river the Ganga. National aquatic animal river dolphin. National heritage animal elephant. National animal tiger. National fruit mango. National vegetables pumpkin. Governor General of Independent India Lord Louis Mountbatten. Indian Governor General of Independent India Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Indian Commander-in-Chief of Free India General Kodandera Madappa Karyappa, 1949. Field Marshal General S. H. F. J. Manekshaw. Speaker of Lok Sabha Shri G.V. Mavlankar, 15th May 1952 to 27th February 1956. President Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Vice President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. First Prime Minister P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. First Home Minister Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. India's first Finance Minister, R.K. Shanmukham Chettai. Auditor General of India, V. Narhari Rao. Founder Director of CBI, Dharmanath Prasad Kohli. First National Security Advisor, Brijesh Mishra. Governor of RBI, Sir Osborne Smith. Non-Congress Prime Minister, Morarji Desai from Janata Party, in 1977 to 1979. British Governor-General of Bengal Warren Hastings, first space traveller India, S. Leader Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to join the Indian Civil Service, Satyendra Nath Tagore. First woman I.S. Anna Ranjan George, 1950. First sportsperson to receive Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar. First swimmer who crossed over the English Channel by swimming Mihir Sen. First Indian woman to swim across the English Channel Aarti Saha, 1959. First Indian Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian Nobel Prize in Physics C. V. Raman in 1930. First Chairman of Lok Sabha G. B. Mavlankar. First woman Chief Minister Suchita Kriplani. First woman Speaker of Lok Sabha SMT Meera Kumar, 2009. First Chief Election Commissioner Sukumar Senior. First Indian Chairman in International Court Justice Dr. Nagendra Singh. First foreigner awardee of Bharat Ratna Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Leader of the Indian Antarctica Mission Dr. Syed Zahoof Quassim. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court Justice Hiralal J. Tania. Awarded with Bharat Ratnas Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Chakravarti Rajgopalachari, Sir C. B. Raman. First Indian woman awarded with Bharat Ratna Indira Gandhi. First successful surgeon who transplanted heart Dr. P. Venugopal. First woman Governor Sarojini Naidu. First licensed pilot India J.R.D. Tata. First woman air pilot Durba Banerjee. First woman teacher Savitribai Phule. First Indian successful heart transplanted person Devi Ram, 1994. President of National Human Rights Commission Justice Rangnath Mishra. Hindi Literature Person awarded Bharatiya Gyan Peeth Puraskar Sumitra Nandan Pant, 1968. Indian who won the World Billiards Award Wilson Jans. Indian who won the Grammy Award P.T. Ravi Shankar. First Indian delivered the lecture in Hindi in UNO Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 1977. Indian member in British House of Commons Dada Bhai Nauroji, 1892. First President of Indian Science Congress Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee. First mountaineer who scaled Mount Everest 8 times Sherpa Ogrita. Writer who was awarded Vyas Samman Ramvilas Sharma. First Indian Managing Director of World Bank Gautam Kaji. The first recipients of the Padma Vibhushan were Satyendra Nath Bose, Nandlal Bose, Zakir Hussain, Bal Saheb Gangadhar Kher, V. K. Krishna Menon, and Jigme Dorji Vanchak, who were honoured in 1954. First actress to win Padma Shri Award Nargis Dutt, 1958. First woman graduates Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu, 1883. Woman Chief Justice of High Court Laila Sath, Himachal Pradesh, 1991. An Indian appointed the Judge of High Court during the British period Ram Prasad Ram. Indian member of Viceroy Executive Council Sir S. P. Sinha. First woman IPS Kiran Bedi. First woman External Affairs Minister of India Sushma Swaraj. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more learning.